Hi everyone, as requested, I am going to show you how I download embroidery files from the internet onto my USB stick so that my machine will read it. So first of all, you need a computer, a desktop computer, or a laptop computer, whatever has a USB port on it. I use a Mac. I don't have access to a Windows computer at this time, but I'm hoping that the concepts will translate in either way. So number one, plug your USB stick into your computer. Go to a website that has the JEF files to download. In this case, I'm going to a Janome website. I know they have some free downloadables. Go to the Inspire, go view embroidery, and then choose a little embroidery, something that has the .jef. So you'll notice these two tiny little links here. These are the actual files. So click on the one that says .jef, and when you click on it, it will automatically download into your download folder. Then go to your Finder window. So if you click on Finder, it'll open up a window. I happen to have two open here just so that I can show you quickly. Since I'm using a free screen recorder, I don't have a lot of time before it cuts me off. So this is my download folder, and you'll see that I have the little BJEF file here. And I need to put it on the stick. So what I do is I right click on my Finder, and then I open a new Finder window to open up a duplicate window here. Now this part is important. I had to play around with it a little bit to try and figure out how to make my machine read it. So I don't know if this ORD folder is necessary, but I created it anyway because I was playing around and I happened to notice that my machine had two different folders. So I created one that was all caps EMB, so a new folder with all EMB, and then underneath that I created a folder that is capital E MBF. Underneath there is where I move. So I click on my B file in Downloads, and I move it into this EMBR folder. That's underneath this folder. So then when you take your USB disk over to your machine and you open it up, this file should be on there. In the next video, I'll show you how to look on your machine. Okay, so I'm at my machine now. I have plugged the USB stick that I copied the B embroidery to onto, I plugged it in my machine. Turn the machine on either before or after. I haven't found that it matters much either way, but what does matter is you have to go into embroidery mode even if you don't have your unit attached. Go ahead and press OK. And then click on this little, the file folder icon right here. And then you can see all if the machine is highlighted in yellow, that is reading all of the patterns that you have saved locally on your machine. If you click onto the stick picture, the little stick icon, it will show you your MBF folder, but you have to be in embroidery mode for this. And then here is my little bee. I bring it up. There it is, and then I'm ready to go ahead and edit my colors and get started with embroidery. So I hope this helps you.